to the primary markets, Ashish Chauhan, MD and CEO of NSE, says that whenever secondary markets go up, primary market increases. In a conversation with NDTV's Agnidev Bhattacharya from the sidelines of Swiggy NSE event, he adds that the IPO boom signals are higher entrepreneurial participation. Do listen into that slice of conversation as well.
It's a two-way process. Across the world, whenever the markets go up in secondary, a lot of IPOs come, and it's necessary also because in some ways today more and more people in India are now investing via stock markets, which was not the case even 5 years back. 5 years back probably we had around 2 crore investors, unique investors. Today we have 10.7 crore unique investors. So we have literally gone up by 5 times. And so those people are now investing. Earlier they were investing into physical assets. Now they are investing in what we call trust assets. Assets where the trust on the entrepreneurs is of paramount importance, in addition to, of course, the trust on regulators and Indian judiciary, Indian parliament, and Indian overall society. And that's where I think more and more people are getting attracted. And if we continue to have very few companies listed, then naturally the prices on a demand-supply basis would be affected. While as if you have larger supply of good quality assets come up, they also create more jobs, because the new companies are also going to create more jobs, but also more wealth for all the shareholders that come up. So overall, it's a very symbiotic relationship between secondary market and primary market. And India has been in a good shape. I think last year, probably more than 195 companies got listed on NSE, more than 55 on the main board, the rest on the SME emerge platform. But overall, this has been one of the best years for IPO in Indian markets in its 150 years history and 30 years of NSE's history. And it's also telling you that more and more entrepreneurship is sort of happening in India, which is a good omen for future of India.
In fact, Agni also caught up with Swiggy's Rohit Kapoor on how the production